Exclusive, Sir Bruce, 89, spends 5 days in intensive care after being rushed to hospital with a severe chest infection. Sir Bruce Forsyth has spent 5 nights in intensive care after being diagnosed with a severe chest infection. The ailing star was rushed to hospital having fallen ill on Sunday, but is now preparing to come home. The 89-year-old presenter's latest health scare was unrelated to 2 life-threatening aneurysms, and subsequent operation, in 2015. Last night, the popular star was preparing to return back to the family home in Surrey where he will be nursed by wife, Wilnelia. A friend of the former Strictly Come Dancing host said, "Bruce came down with an infection last weekend, and it rapidly escalated into something very, very serious. He was rushed to St. Peter's and put straight into ICU because of his age, and the nature of his illness. He was in a lot of pain, but has been very stoical throughout. Of course, because he is nearly 90, doctors had to take extra precautions and Bruce had to stay in intensive care for a minimum of 5 nights. Wilnelia was by his bedside virtually the entire time, and has been amazing. Now Bruce just wants to get home, and slowly build his strength back up again. He remains in great spirits. In the case of chest infections, treatment usually is simple in the early stages and involves the administration of antibiotics to help deal with the symptoms. However, they are far more dangerous for the elderly who, naturally, have weakened immune systems, meaning treatment is both more complex and risky. Indeed, for anyone over the age of around 80, symptoms can be fatal if not properly treated. This is the latest setback for the veteran broadcaster who was forced to cancel several public outings last year due to poor health. Sir Bruce was forced to undergo keyhole surgery following a fall at his home in October 2015 after 2 aortic aneurysms were discovered. Although he was expected to take 2 months to recover, the process took longer than initially hoped. Indeed, he did not appear out in public at all during 2016, and was not well enough to attend the funerals of close friends Ronnie Corbett and Terry Wagon. Last year, his wife of 33 years, a former Miss World, gave an emotional interview in which she said he had problems moving, adding that the couple have discussed the future when she will have to make a life without him. She said, "He's the man I fell in love with because his brain is still there. He has a bit of a problem moving but we still laugh and talk. I pray, I believe. The main thing is that he's doing well. The pain is more emotional, sometimes we cry, but mostly we laugh." Last night Sir Bruce was said to be in a stable condition.